Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to change profile name on Bigo Live app. At first, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. Tap on the icon at the bottom right corner. On this page, tap on your profile at the top of the page. Here you can see your profile. Now tap on the icon at the top right corner. Here you can edit your basic information. Scroll down and tap on your name. Here type your new name. Then tap on save at the top right corner. Now you can go back to your profile and check whether your name has been changed or not. Here you can see your name has been changed. And that is guys how you can change your profile name on Bigo Live account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.